Alright, this is Sinistersmog updating with your weekly TutsRus video. Today's video is basically going to be about how to get a web page onto your desktop. So like if you're trying to see on your office website, see who got the big promotion, or for instance when the news is coming up, or like who bombed Iraq or whatever. You can just set it up so it'll be on your desktop. The example I'm going to use is going to be our YouTube account. So here we go. What you do is you start up by right clicking on your desktop anywhere where there isn't an icon, and you go to properties, and a screen should pop up, and it should have a bunch of tabs at the bottom. I should say like themes, desktop, screensaver, appearance, and settings. What you do is you go to the desktop tab and you click on it, and it should basically look like this with all these background and all this stuff. It should say at the bottom customize desktop, and you click on that, and it should have a bunch of icons and stuff like what you want on your desktop and stuff. You click on the web tab at the top, and I was testing it out with RuneScape to see if Java worked. It'll have a tab like it'll have a box like my current homepage, so it'll allow you to select your homepage from your default browser. What you do is you click on new, and it should say stuff like add the address of where you want it to go, and I'm gonna use an example. I'm gonna use our profile from YouTube, and you click OK. And if you want to use a picture or like an HTML document, that's cool. You can just click on browse and you can look for it in your favorites and wherever in your like internet files. You click on OK, and it'll show up a prompt that says you have chosen to make this site available offline, and it'll ask you if the site needs a password. Click on customize, and it'll say use this wizard to determine how much content to make available offline. So it'll say like when you want it to compare it with your site. It'll ask you for a password and stuff. You could just say no, and it'll say okay. So are you positive you want to do this? You'll press OK, and after some whirring of your computer fan, it should probably finish up, and now it'll be checked in the box. So what you do is when you're done that, you click on the OK, and then at the bottom of this window you click on apply, and you should just see your screen should be starting to like slow down a bit. Your computer is processing all this like awesome information, all this Uber stuff. You can close this window now, and basically you have this sort of like mini window running now. Let's have it to the right here. It's basically running in the background now, so you can drag it to whatever size you want. We'll have it right here. Basically, this is my YouTube channel on TutsRus. So you can have it, you can have it running on Flash or running on Java, I guess. You can watch videos with it. Yeah, basically it's like you got your own little personal internet browser, but you can attach it to, it'll be like under your icons, so it could be like your desktop wallpaper. So yeah, and when you're done with it, you can just close it. It'll close on up out of there. So yeah, basically that's what you want. You can have it running Flash, Java, I believe. I'm not sure about any other files, but give it a test. Drop me a comment on the box, tell me what works and what doesn't. So yeah, basically, that's it. So, have fun with it. The way I figured this out was I just played with all Windows settings, so, if you play with it too, maybe you could figure something out too, and you know. You could be famous for it, whatever. So yeah, if you'd like to see more videos from TutsRus, subscribe to our channel. Updating basically weekly with more tutorials and videos, how to do everyday stuff on the computer, and maybe even later we'll work on stuff on how to do off the computer. You never know. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Ciao.